Capcut loop video tutorial on PC. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Step 1 is to drag the video that you would like to loop onto Capcut PC's timeline. Step number 2 is add a cut. In this case, I've added a cut right here. I click B on the keyboard, and then I click and it adds a cut. Click A to deselect. So this is the portion where I want to loop the video because the person is running. Okay, so here's going to be the hard part. So at this portion, if I extend, you can see the person's still running, but they stopped. I'm going to add a cut right here by clicking B. Click A to deselect, and then I'll click delete. But if you don't want to do that and you just want this to loop, then basically you want to get this, click Control C, and then click and Control V. And then basically paste the video. Now, as you can see now that was not a loop. So basically for this clip, or the clip you want to use, we want so that his foot lands right here. And as you can see, that's not where it is, so we're going to get it right there. So we're going to cut A to deselect, delete. And now if we drag this to the left, that actually doesn't look too bad. Let's play that one more. Hey, and that's how you loop the video. If you want, you can get the audio, click right here, and drag it down. Then this is what this is. It's almost a seamless loop. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel.